Hello guys, this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and we are back here today with all of you. Okay, so yeah, sorry I'm late again. All right, so yeah, let's take a look at what do we have today. Okay, quickly let's get into the MT4. Give me the MT4, please. Where's the MT4? Right. Okay, yeah, and I'm here, right? Okay, get this in first. Okay, right. Okay. Right. Hi, all right, good morning. Okay, Eric. Hi, JJ. Dobra jutro, Karo. Namaste, Wasim. Nice to see you. Right, how are you, Wasim? It has been a long while. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let me get this in first. Okay, and let's see. Okay, that's weird. Something is not right here. I can't share to. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay. You are unable to connect. Okay. Okay, so should be done. Right. Okay. So we are back here. Okay. All right. Okay, let's get everything ready. Yeah. Can you get connected? Hi, Hubert. Okay, nice. Connected. All right, good. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, let's see. We have a few of them. Let's take a look. Sabrina. Okay, yep. Now got it. Okay, good. All right. Okay, very good. Yep, and let's go. Okay, let me see. One more. Okay. Yep. Yep, Wasim. Oh, okay. That's good. You're fine. Very good. Okay. Hope let's hope that managing all your trading well as well. Okay. Yeah. All right, and let's take a look. Okay. Is there any other things that I didn't get it done? Anyone? Okay. Hi, Christopher. Okay, connected. Okay. That server is done. Okay. Yes, all server has been done up. Okay, and updated. All right, very good. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for your help. We are moving. We are doing a lot of shifting. So thank you, Christopher. Thank you, Christopher, managing all the shifting in Hong Kong for us. Okay, yeah. All right, so that's very nice of you. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's come and let's take a look. Okay. Right. Okay. So my chart is on the pound dollar. All right. So let's have a little recap on the pound dollar. Okay. From yesterday. Well, yesterday I think quite a good one after the pump up, and then one round from here we actually done up some selling. Okay, all the way until yesterday. Okay, we were trying to get this. Am I right? Okay, but seems like it has not being filled for this area. For me, I see something here to get filled, and not yet. So probably will it be today? Okay, let's take a look at the general. Well, of course, once again, we have like we say, we have already get out of this area, so we need to do some other changes. Well, let's shift this green line down, solid green line. Okay, I will be looking in this solid green line. Okay, let's put it down here first. Okay, let's put it down here first, because later on, okay, let's check. Okay, we have a lot of lines here. Okay, yeah, so let's get this out first. Okay, let's get this out first, and get this. Okay, and let's do this. Okay, I'm going to exchange. My working line is always the aqua line. All right, and yep. Okay, that's good. And waiting to see. Okay, waiting to see what's going to happen over here. All right. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm let me doing up some preparation work, and at the same time I reply some of the private messages. Okay. I have a few messages yesterday. Okay, so let me reply you. First of all, we are not single provider. And this is a disclaimer. I always give this disclaimer. Okay, so over at this side here, okay, we are trying to create a community, okay, where for the traders, especially like the forex trader, gold trader, all right, to come in together, okay, to share your idea. Okay, yeah, over here, okay, over at this point here, all right, okay, over here. 你可以说话的，你可以说话的啊，有什么问题都可以问哈。If you have any question, yeah, you can on your mic and ask me. Okay, I'm having a live session now. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Christopher. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So over at this point here. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I will be in Hong Kong very soon. Thank you, Christopher. Yeah. Yes, you have done all. You have done all the work, and you know what? Really greatly appreciate. Yeah, we'll be there together to test out the whole system, and then yeah, the whole team will be there, and then we really want to buy you a very good meal, huh? Okay. Okay. Remember the restaurant in at the peak. Okay, we shall go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So over here, come back here. Okay. Hi. Yes. Hi, Manwai. Nice to see you. Yes, Karu. Okay. Yeah. I think he's exhausted now. Yeah, I think so too. Okay, so yeah, okay, so I think over at this point here, we are going to look at where are we actually heading. Okay, first of all, okay, over here, this area yesterday has a very good swing off, but we have not taken out this area, and it started to set up. It started to hover around. Okay, and over at this point here, when it started to go above, started to bring down the price again, it become a inverse head and shoulder. So after that, it hits on this to retest the shoulder. and it started to boom up to fill up this area. Am I right? You can see. Okay, so over at this point here, all right, over at this point here, seems like we fill up and taken out this area, and seems like we are going to retest to set up any resistance to go on for another selling. Probably be taking this area, or it may even boom higher. So it depends on what's the happening over here. Okay, yeah. All right, let's see if Eric's going to be happy with your today's performance. Okay, yes. Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you here. And okay, let me try to click over this. Okay. As for the goal, okay, let's take a look at the goal. Okay. All right. So over at this point, okay. As for the goal wise, yesterday I think we have cleared all the targets up there. Correct, but it has not hit my 23.98. It only hits 23.94 and it started to swing off, and then it takes out 23.76, our target here, and it exceeded our expectation down to, wow, 23.54. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, okay, yeah. And over at this here and this area, okay, this is quite a good one yesterday over at this point here, yeah, all the way. I think it's quite, will it actually today this area to see if we can actually get something from this area here to get down to this area. Okay, but first of all, okay, I think that let me erase all this first. Okay, I think this should be quite good over here. First of all, let me move this down here. Okay, let's see. I think we have a very nice area here. Okay, all right, this should be quite good over at this point here. Yeah, over here we can see, okay, we can see that do you have a gap here? Actually, are we looking here that something over here? Do we have a similar chart over here? Okay. I'm not sure if things are doing the same. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And over at this point here, this area here. Alright. Okay. So let's see. Alright. Yeah. What is that? You hit your TP. 2367. Okay. Let's see. Over, okay, this area here, yeah, 2367 here, okay, here, around here, okay, yeah, let's take a look. Well, 2367. Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. Mine was about, mine is actually 2366.58. Okay, I think almost there, am I right? Okay, I think it's almost there. Yeah. So let's take a look. Okay, this area, but this London H1 might be pulled back because they took all the buying liquidity down to 2376. Okay, so over at this point here, yeah, okay, 2376. Okay, I think that should be the one. Okay, yep. All right. Hi, Navraj Singh. Where are you from? I think this is the first time I see you here. How are you? Right. So, yeah. So looking into this area here, 2398 is still up there, huh? It seems like it looks more like something like we have this area. We are looking for this area. Okay, so let me see. Okay. There may be a possibility. I see 2372 over here. 2372 over here. Let me check. 2372. 2372 doesn't make any good area here. Let me check. I think my side here, okay, basing on my charts here, I'm looking at 2372, this area here. All right, to set up the support to continue the buying. First of all, to take out 2378 over at this point here. Okay, so I'm looking at these two prices for this wave right now. Okay, for this wave right now. And today is Thursday, right? Okay, today is Thursday. Okay, hi Eileen, nice to see you here. Okay, yeah, 说啊，还没决定。OK， yeah， 不过那边现在帮我们先做一件事情先啊，先把那边的事情先做好，可能我们就会过去了。OK， 那 OK，so over here, yeah, and over at this point here, yeah, and I see that there may be a good chance for the gold, all right, to hit 2372 over at this point. Then after that, we will take a ride up to 2378, or either way, or you may hit 2378 first, then come down to take 2372. Okay, but currently, okay, likely to see, I will say likely to see 2372 first. Okay, 2382 might be the target later. 2382 over here. Yep. Okay, possible. Okay, quite possible. Yes. All right. So the goal wise, okay, we are talking about all these prices here. Okay, so 2366. Okay, and 2378. Okay, about there. Okay, I think I should be around there. All right. Okay, so how about the pound dollar? Okay, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar. Looking into pound dollar, it looks like today it seems like more more onto the pulling back side to more on the pulling back to onto the buy side, right? Maybe, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look over at this point here. I'm going to take out some lines here. Okay, and we are still hitting into this area here, so likely to see some buying. I'm still waiting to see. There are still some areas here that I'm still waiting to see that if there is a good chance. Okay, if there's a good chance here for us to actually take out this area here. All right. Okay, so still there. It's around here. Okay, and yeah. Okay. Okay, so at the moment I see left, I see right, I still cannot see anything. Okay. Okay, and let's wait for a little while. Okay, and okay, over here. Let's see. Okay. How? Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm really. I haven't wake up yet. Okay. I see left and right. You see up and down. Okay, interesting. All right, I like it. Okay. All right. So yep, and okay. So over here, and teamwork. Yeah, teamwork. Okay, good. All right, so let's see over at this point here. We have taken out this from here. Okay, so looks good from this area here. Okay, this is nice. And I think M30 is M15 pretty good over here. Okay. Then H1, yeah. This H1 a bit, you know what, a bit a bit irritating in a way. Don't really give me a very clear signal to sell yet, but almost there. All right, almost there. Okay, right. It looks like a, you know, it looks like a shooting star down here coming, signaling a selling. Right, but then again is that the rest are still not in a good mood. Fishing lah. Yeah, correct, maybe, huh? Okay, so let's come back here. Hey, you see, I really have to kick away the bad habit, you know. This is very irritating. Okay, you know what? I love music. I love music. So I love beautiful sound. Hi Camille, nice to see you here. Alright, we are going to flip the H1, and H1 has opened nicely. Okay, beautiful. But seems like we are going for some selling down to take this area. We have about 6 pips. We still have this area to be taken as well. Looks good. Okay, I think for the pound there will be some selling down to take this area of 124.510. Okay. Oh yeah, let's listen to the music. Okay. The market like to fish, man. Yeah. Okay, so yep. For pound dollar, I'm looking out for pound dollar with some selling off. Okay, now. Okay, so to take this area, right? Okay, to take this area, so we should have about from here about 10 pips, okay, down to take the 124.51, 124.51, okay. All right, as you can see now we are Eileen 在吗？注意看 okay, so over here, all right, so let's see, we can take a look over here. All right, looks pretty good. Okay, M15 is good. Okay, and M5. Okay, well, from this move from this move, okay, we have this area here. From this move up here, and now with the selling off this area, they have taken out all this. We are looking for some selling down, okay, to take this area. Looks like this area is pretty good, okay. And also, if this able to hold as a resistance currently, okay, this area, okay, then there will be a good chance that we are looking out for do you have this wick? Anybody? Do you have this wick here? Opening? Does your charts have this wick here over here? Yeah. I'll be selling euro dollar today. Okay. Anyone can help me to see if you have this wick here? Manwai, yes. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm looking into this area here. If there's a good chance, 28 pips there. Okay, 28 pips of space. Yeah. All right. So now, okay. Now again, I have a question. Okay, I have a question. All right. Asian low, has the Asian low been taken today? Has the Asian low been taken? Anyone can help me with that? Yeah. Right. Over this area here. Yeah. Okay. Not yet. Any more? Any more answers there? Okay. And now let's see. Are we? Looks like this is not. Okay. Waiting for this. If there's a selling here to take this. Anyone? Okay, anyone? Any more? Caro, can you help me? Has the Asian low been taken for the pound dollar? Okay. Merry Christmas. Any idea? Sabrina, yeah. No, not yet. Okay. Yep. Are you asking a question that you know? What are you talking about? Yeah, I don't see wick at the daily open. Okay, you don't have a wick at the daily open. Okay, all right. Mine, as you can see, mine over here on my side here, I have a wick opening. Okay, all right. Then okay. So guys have to pay attention. Okay, just to take. Okay, Asian low is 12447. 12447. Okay, yeah, all right. So 12447. Okay, so over here, all right. Okay, Yeah, so it has not been taken yet. All right, thank you, Carlo. Okay, so okay, let me answer Sabrina. Okay, why am I asking this question is that, first of all, okay, you see, first of all, I asked a week. Okay, so you can see that some of you, okay, some of us here, okay, we don't have a, we may not have a week because due to a different brokers that we are using, correct? So in this case over here, sometimes when we are trading, okay, when I'm actually giving some reading over here, probably, okay, you must get the concept. Okay, so it may have some difference. Okay, go TP 10 pips. Wow, congratulations, well done. Okay, well done. All right, and go TP 10 pips on the buy side. Oh, we hit the 2378 over here. Okay, that's good. Nice. So 2382. Okay, 2382. Okay, so come back here, pound dollar. Next thing, I'm asking the Asian low. When it comes to Asian low, okay, you will realize that everybody will be reading almost the same. Correct? Will be reading almost the same. Well, because of the two differences, the differences between the two questions over here. Okay, we are actually looking into, like, you know, the liquidity is different from the different liquidity provider. That's why the chart may show some differences. So over here, when the move comes in stabilize, okay, more or less, okay, it will be the same. All right, it will be only a big difference by the pips. Okay, so okay, I think, you know, is there. All right, okay, so that's one point there. So just take note, huh? All right, hi emotional, nice to see you here. All right, okay, so yeah, Eileen, understand? Okay. All right, so over at this point here, and we can take a look. Okay, slowly. All right, we are moving slowly. Yeah, and over at this point here. Over at this point here, all right, we are actually coming down. You know, what I'm looking at is that, you know, with this flow over here, all right, and you go into the hour where it's getting some low liquidity. Okay, all right, so, you know, sometimes at this point here may not be a very good chance to actually push down further to take all this. Yeah, all right, so over at this area here, okay, then we expect to see maybe some pullback. Okay, like we know we have Asian session, we have London session, we have New York session. Each session, they themselves, they have a target. They have a target to meet, am I right? Okay, so we are going to take a look the same thing, Asian, London, and later on New York. All right, okay. Okay, emotional. Yes, you know your emotional is here. Okay, yeah, at work, guys. Okay, see you in a moment. Sure. Enjoy. Okay, so over at this area here, so we just I am actually now looking into the area where London session. Okay, well, the London session actually taking work, maybe put themselves into work to take something. Okay, then over at this point here, okay, we will see if there is a good chance, okay, that they are actually coming down to take this area where, first thing first, okay, of course, I have a wick here, okay, but some of you don't have. Then we will take a look at the Asian low. Okay, so will they take this out first? Okay, then after that, we will see if this is going to break below to form another resistance downwards, and I'm going to take what's left behind over at this area here down to 124.050. Okay, so once again, okay, Right, so this is where I'm looking at. All right, so over here, okay, Eileen, don't wait for me 啊，记得啊，自己要做决定啊。OK， all right， 要果断，记得啊。OK， 所以 so over here, over here, okay, we will general view. This is a general view. All right, okay. Alright, so yeah, over here, H4 top liquidity over at this point for the gold. Alright, H4 top liquidity. Okay, we have a lot of lines here. Huh? Okay, let me take this out first. Oh, we have not done that. We have done this, taken this. Okay, yeah, 2383. Okay, 2383. Okay, 2383. Okay, right, and 2383. Okay, all right. 2383. Okay, yes, I have a Discord over here. Yeah, you can click the link below. Okay, in the description box. Okay, Camille. Yeah. But please take note when you are into the Discord, there are some people who impersonated me. Okay, so if anyone on the Discord that adds you and asks you for some investment, all right, that's not me. Okay, so disclaimer saying come first. Okay, alright, so please, yeah, you can still join in, alright, but if as anybody approach you, okay, do let us know, okay? Yeah, everybody is sharing now, okay, so that we will kick all the scammers out. Okay, so yeah, and try to take 20 pips for the goal, okay, so 10 pips with a higher lot size, yeah, okay. So you will realize that with a higher lot size, you still get the same, you will get more money, but with the same number of pips, you feel you are safer in a way and relaxed. Am I right? Okay, yeah, that's my personal view. I don't know if you feel the same. Okay, go 1 bar can't hit 20 to 30 pips. Maybe it can. Okay, actually 20 30 pips in the goal. Sometimes it still round out. It still round out to, you know. Is there any space down there for them to take? Okay, yeah, so it is still possible. Okay, it is still possible. Okay, yeah, all right, so over at this point here, 2383 here, okay, for the gold wise. All right, okay, we can still take a look over at this point here, but do remember today we have an unemployment claims, correct? Unemployment claims for the dollar. Okay, so forecasting at 215. Okay, previous was 211, so still looking at more unemployment, huh? Okay, maybe. All right, okay, anyway, okay, so just be careful. Okay, just take note. Okay, so over at this area here, okay, so over at this area here, for the pound dollar, okay, yeah, okay, yes, Camille, sure, no problem, take your time. Okay, so over at this area here, if I'm looking at this, okay, looks like this area here, okay, looks like this area here, they have filled up nicely, and will this area to be retested again? Okay, will this area be retested again to form the resistance to sell off? For now, it has formed a resistance up here to sell off. Okay, over at this point here. All right, so at this area here, okay, it may be a little bit tough and takes some time to sell off this area here. First, I see from here. Okay, let's take a look from the Asian market here. It bounced back and it broke this area. Okay, so you can see this range here. Okay, this is not Asia range. Okay, so I'm talking about this area. All right, you know, usually I say that this is the rubbish area. Am I right? Okay, this is the rubbish area. So once broke out, now if coming up to test onto the resistance, where I look at the H1 and H4, okay, over at this area here, it tested into this area here, as we can see. All right, so got rejections. So that means the resistance is up there. Okay, it's still there. So from here, it started to sell off. Looks like it sell off this area, and this move seems like another higher low. So when this higher lows actually comes along, will that be a good chance that it will still test back onto the resistance of 124.833? Okay, then after that, from there will be a good chance, probably maybe coming down to take out all this area. All right, another possibility that looking into these few moves here, okay, that this may be creating another lower highs over here. So if this lower highs maintain with another, okay, so probably it should be still holding down to take the lows down there before the news. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so for this area, okay, this area once it broke out, okay, now it's going for the test on this resistance. Now the resistance has been tested once. Okay, so to see if this is going to retest again from the price up there, then probably there may be a good chance for the selling off. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Right. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's good. Can have fun for the news. Yes, you're always right. Okay, so let's see, because today the news coming in looks like it's going to have a good push for the. I'm not sure whether is it a good push. Okay, for the dollar to strengthen up, get even stronger. All right, or will it actually become weaker, that it will actually bring down the pound dollar when it gets stronger. Okay, but at the moment, okay, it looks like they are trying to strengthen up themselves. Okay, for the pound, looks like they are trying to strengthen up themselves. Okay, to get prepared for the news. Okay, by looking into general. Okay, by looking into general. Okay, looks like, okay, but if they are going to strengthen up themselves for this news, they need support. Okay, they need a support. So at the moment, they still don't have a support yet. So are they going to look for support? Okay, at the moment, okay, let go of their currency first, let everybody sell off first, so that the price get lower, then they can pump in to get a good price to buy up. Well, probably that may happen. Okay, probably that may happen. So at the moment, okay, we have to I would say that we will have to monitor for a little while. Okay. Yeah, by looking into this structure here, it looks pretty good to me, where there's a good chance for selling off to get the support. Okay, but so far, okay, only this area is showing up some selling, but doesn't, with these few candles move, doesn't seem to be very strong. There seems like they are still trying to get a resistance. Okay, so hang on first. General view looks like there's selling opportunity. Looking into the detail of these few moves for the past 15-20 minutes, doesn't, okay, have to wait for a little while and see. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, and let me do up some 124.51. Okay, let me check 124.51. Where is it now? Okay. Okay. $124. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So let's observe first. Okay. I think let's observe first. We still have a bit to take note. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Eileen. Wow. What a beautiful, cute little bear down there. Okay. All right. So let's hang on for a little while and see. We are now stuck in the H1. Okay, we are now stuck in the H1. As we can see, it seems like there's this dodgy here. Okay, so there may be some slow moving sideways along the way. Okay, that's what a trader will experience very often, but let's wait. Okay, let's wait and see. All right. Okay, so now putting this area here. Okay, looks like if I'm going to string this up, 1 2 done. Okay, so 1 2 done up. Okay, over at this point here. Okay, so this area, if I'm going to string even further down, right, looks like for yesterday and today, this area it has done up over, they have done their job. Well, if talking about this whole area further down, furthermore, looks like we still have some more to take up there. Okay, so will they actually still going to take? Okay, all right. Okay, so 1 2 3, we still have this area here, 124,576. all right, 124,576 over into this area here. Okay, looks like we are still pretty good. Okay, we still have this whole area. All right, we still have this whole area. I'm still waiting for the price to come down into this area here. All right, so maybe from here, yeah, we have about 8 to 12 pips. Yeah, 8 to 12 pips. Okay, about there. All right, yeah, this is my targeted area here. Okay, so first target over here that they may even take down to 124.51. That should be another one to 124.465. Okay, 124.47, 465, around there. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm still waiting for it to form up lower highs over here, but where it is still not there yet, still not there yet. Okay, almost there. Just now was almost there, but not there yet. Okay, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting for a little while more. Yeah. Okay, right. So over here looks like we have tested the previous lower high there, huh? Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a look at this area here. Okay. Oops. Let's see one here. Okay. Yeah, let's hang on for a little while. Okay. For pound dollar, we still have to wait for a little while more. Okay, not there yet. Not there yet. Okay, still waiting. Because you see, there may be a chance that I'm looking at generally, okay, generally over here, all right, I'm looking into testing this resistance where it has tested once, okay, over here, yesterday once, today another one time here, all right, then there's still some rejections here. Okay, there's some rejections here, so over at this point here, generally I am still quite concerned about whether it will still go up to take this 125.041. Okay, however, all right, with this move in going into details, looks like they are going to take some support first. Okay, if they are really going up to take this area, you know, to fill whole thing up, okay, then they should need a support. They still need a support. So for now, I'm looking at probably the support area, okay, that they are looking out for to fill up, so that they have the full strength, okay, to go. All right, so it's into this area here, these 3 points here. Okay, all right, so at the moment it's still there. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, when we know the targets, okay, I have by reading out all the space, with my plans, I see the targets over at this area here. All right, targets. So by looking into all these targets here, okay, now I'm waiting for a good chance to shoot down to take this target. So waiting for the selling structure to come in. Okay, I'm waiting for the selling structure to come in. It's there, almost there, not there, almost there, not there. They are still struggling. Okay, so have to wait for a while. Okay, yeah. All right, yeah. Loopling. Okay, right. Okay, and yeah, Sawadee Krap Rong, and Lubri is near to Warsaw. I'm from. Okay, wow, what is that? I don't know what is that. I wait for H4 opening. Okay, wow, 140 kilometer. I think it's not far. 140 kilometer is not far. You just need 1 hour to drive there. Or maybe even half an hour to reach. Okay, yeah, okay, so over here, okay, all right, okay, so over here, yeah, now you are a monk, so read the book Think Like a Monk. Have you read the book before? Think Like a Monk. Okay, as for the goal wise, just now we have discussed it. Okay, and looking into area like you know, we have taken out this 23, 79, 78. Just now we are talking about this area. So there's another area 2383. Then next there will be probably if there's a selling off. Okay, I'm actually looking at 2372. Okay, so at the moment we have to take a look. Okay, we have to take a look whether the prices reaches which points. Okay, yeah. Yes, so Eric and Asian Squad come to Poland and we'll go to see Camille. Okay. Hey, that's a good idea, you know. All right. That's a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Previously, oh yeah, you actually went back to Poland, huh? Yeah. From the day you are still talking about you're sweeping up the snow. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for the pound dollar, okay. Pound dollar. Well, no, pound dollar, if you're looking for selling, it's getting near. You know, it's getting near, but you know, it's still not there. Just now it has happened so many times that it's getting near, but it's not there yet. Okay, but now it's also getting near. It's still getting near again. Am I right? It's still getting near again. Okay. Yeah, it's still getting near again. So yeah, okay. Yeah. So once I see we can see that we have closed down with one resistance over here, right? So it looks like it's getting near into selling off. Okay, it's getting near to selling off. Once it gets lower, okay, then we can see that they are actually building it. You know, they're actually building the selling very, very closely, I would say, maybe. Yeah, hopefully this M30 can bring the price down so that they can still continue to sell off to take, okay, to flip the H4 over. Then now we are coming down here to take this. Okay, yeah, very close, very close. This area will be very smooth area, very nice area to grab the profits. Once the price comes into this area, clear this box here, I think it should be very, very smooth to bring down another 11 pips to take the Asian low. Yeah, almost there, almost there, not there yet again. Yeah, almost there. Yeah, yeah, you're almost polished. Oh, okay. And yeah, all right, I think Eileen, it's about time. Eileen, it's about time for you to go. Okay. Right, so okay, yep. 好的啊，正在收拾哈。OK， 很好，好的，好的。Okay, yep, and well, will the pound actually have a good swing off down to take out all this? Okay, look at M15, this area, and M30. This whole area. Yeah, looks like 124.576 is still quite promising. Yes. Alright, Sabrina. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Maybe H4. Maybe have to wait for the H4 probably. Yeah. Okay. Over here. So probably waiting. Yeah. Okay. Over at this point here. Hang on, it's moving slow. It may be. Of course, I hope you don't move this way, sideways all the way. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so hang on first. All right. Yeah, still testing back into this area of support, huh? Where the past half an hour ago, it was still here. Yeah, still testing into this area. Yeah. Let's hang on. Okay. Yeah, it's low. Correct, you're right. It's very quiet, right? Okay, seems like it's so quiet today. Yeah, and even for the euro dollar, okay, look at the euro dollar. Okay, even for the euro dollar, it seems like they are also trying to clear this area. Okay, then let's see. Okay, for the euro dollar, okay, we are still trying to clear this area. Okay, where the next area should be here, looking into this nice area here. Okay, well, for euro dollar, we are trying to clear this area now. Okay, once we clear this area, we should be looking out down to this 106556. 106556. Yeah, 106556. Okay. Yeah, so for euro dollar, okay, along the way, we are going to test the opening of the day and also the lows here, over here. All right, then I think we still have about 10 to about 19 pips there. Yeah. For pound dollar, yes, surprise attack may happen to go down very straight away. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's maybe have to wait for a little while. Okay. Maybe H4 is the maybe H4 will be the key. Okay. I see that H4 probably H4 will be the key. Yeah. Okay. Since so slow before the H4, let's go to key bell, shall we? Okay, let's go to the key bell, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, give me not 2 minutes, sorry. Okay, give me a little while. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. All right, and let's see. Yeah, trader meeting event. Yeah, Bali soup session. Yes, that would be the. Yeah, okay. All right, so wow. Then I think I'm going to stay in Poland for 2 weeks at least. Oh yeah, I didn't realize that I did off on my cam. Huh? Can you see me? Okay. I just. Oh my god. All right. Okay. So yep. And well, looks like they are still trying to break this area to come down. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, and how about the gold? Oh, the gold is also going a little bit sideways now, stagnant over there. Okay, so and I see one more area here. Okay, this is quite a nice area here. 2376.85. If this is starting off to capture this area here, about another 17 pips. Another 17 pips here. Okay, looks like a 2370. Yeah, 23 76, 23 76 72. Looks nice. All right, yeah. If you see top like that, does it mean it respect top and ready to sell or ready to break? M30? You mean M30 over here? Okay. You mean this area here? You mean this area here? If you see the top like that, does it mean it respect the top and ready to sell? Okay. If you're talking about this area here, right? Okay. So usually I will take a reference. Okay. Take a look at the move first. Okay, from this move upwards here. Okay, so let me bring this down first. Okay, let's see over here. All right, when we talk about this top here, okay, and look to the left, is there any, is formed like a it will become like a resistance over at this point here. But looking at this, by looking at this over here, this green red, okay, this green red, I will say that it will be retesting back again. It will be retesting back again here. Will it be more likely to be a selling or ready to break above? Okay, I will say it will. Normally, when I see such a formation here, okay, let's take. I will refer the left side first. Okay, I'll refer this left side first, right? Then, okay, it depends largely on the current move. It depends largely on the current move where I'm looking at M5. Usually I use M5, right, to look at the current move. When M30 happens to be that way, then the M30 going to maintain green red with green red to close as a resistance. Then over into M5, okay, or smaller time frame, whichever smaller than M30, okay, to form up the selling. Yes, then I will see a combination from the M30 to maintain that way and a smaller time frame to create a selling signal. Yes, I will go for a selling. It will be more likely for a selling. So I will not just refer. I will not just based on M30 with this top here. Okay, because this top here, it doesn't mean anything for me. Okay, it doesn't mean anything for me unless you're talking about the move like this over here. This top here like this, there's a move down and then there's a retest back. Okay, this area, all right, then I will more likely to see that this will be a place ready to sell. This will be a place ready to sell. But for such a case with such a movement like so small in such a short time span, it doesn't show a lot. So for such situation, okay, I will have to refer down like M15, okay, the M5, okay, then it actually show the move here where the M30, these few candles, right, one M30, okay, we have 6 M5. So with this 6 M5 here, how it moves, okay, and you will need to see if this is going to retest, okay, with after retesting, will it actually push lower from the last push up to retest? If that is the case, highly likely the selling will comes in. So I won't just for me, I won't just based on this only, unless the situation is this way, then it will be different. You get what I mean? Okay. Yeah, that's for me, that's for me. Okay. So first of all, this has not closed yet. So I cannot, I won't say that it is still a good area to get ready for the selling. Yeah. So see, we are coming into the retesting now. Okay. Yeah. So you can see with this, the first left side of the M30 over here. All right. Then it comes down. That means the resistance able to push to this level, this number, this depth. So when it comes back to this area here, all right, this push up, okay, that means this level only can resist to this level. So when it comes back, when it get rejected again, it pushes down to this level. Now it's low. Now it's just a little bit lesser. Where this is, you can reject it more, and this is lesser. So it means that the resistance seems to get a little bit weaker. It cannot push too much down again, you know. So have to wait for another round to test back again to see if there are more sellers actually coming in. Okay, more selling orders coming in, then likely to push back. Okay, to break this last push here to become lower. All right. then to accumulate, to see the accumulation is there, to push, to break this, to push even lower. Okay, yeah, I think they will take 23.83. 23.83 quite likely. Okay, over here 23.83. all right. I mean, for my side here, I am actually looking out for like 23.86. 23.86 maybe. Yeah. Hang on. No. 23.84, around there. Yeah, 23.84. Okay. If you're basing on M30, 23.8307. Okay, 23.8307. All right. Yeah, that may be a price where the resistance are. And I may still see 23.85 to 86. There may be still a good chance there to go for 23.85 to 86. Yeah, it was quite difficult move from 23.84 to 85. It's going to be a tough one. Yes, I would say that yes, it is going to be a tough. It can be quite a tough one. Yeah. Yesterday, yeah. This area here. Yeah, this area here. Okay, it can be quite tough. Yeah. So so I think if for this half an hour, in this 30 minutes, it's still good to hang on for a little while to see if this current moment, basing on the M30, this resistance here, all right. Okay, let me draw one more. Okay, over here. So basing on this, we can see, if you're looking at the price action, okay, it's quite flat up there, right? And there isn't even any testing there. So I will be waiting to see if they can break this area. Prices to break this, at least to break this. Okay, 23.78. Then there will be a good chance from 23.78 down to at least 23.76. Okay, 23.76. Right, so it's just like it's stuck in between somewhere, you know. They have, looks like a market has not decided where to go, or there isn't any obvious move yet. I would say not there yet. You know, it's quite stuck. You know, right now it's quite stuck. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, okay, Sabrina. Okay. So when the M30 resistance actually showed up, this may not be a resistance that showed up, you know. This may be just a pullback to go for another higher high. You get what I mean? So whether it will form up as a resistance for us to see if this is a resistance, for me it depends largely on how this is going to move. From this area is swing off, that means this resistance able to push this number of pips, 50 pips, let's say, but it tests back again, and this time around it only pushed 20 pips. That means the resistance getting weaker. It cannot push too much. Correct, but it depends on the each time when it tested, it accumulates, right? Accumulates sellers. So will this area to accumulate another round of sellers to push back to break the last push here, which show that the resistance is actually getting stronger than before? Then we'll have a good chance that then there will be a good signal that it will actually start to push lower. Then it will be a good time to look out for selling entry. It will be a good time to look out for selling entry from there. Yeah, basically we are at the equilibrium of yesterday's selling. Let me see. Okay, let me take a look. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's correct. Yes, Carol sharing one chart here, the FIBO. Okay, we are hitting on the 50 now. Okay, yeah, so as we can see, okay, we can see from the FIBO over here. Okay, we are hitting on the 50 right now, right? Okay, yeah, so more or less, yeah, more or less it should be very tough there, huh? Right now, I think it's going to be a long wait. We're going to wait. Okay, give some patience then. All I can say is give some patience there. All right, but if you are looking for some buying, okay, then I think wait for another 8 minutes since H1 is going to open again. All right, yeah, H1, yeah, okay. All right, yeah, pound dollar, okay, yes, Sabrina. Yeah, the pound dollar reversing up now. Okay, yeah, okay, and looks like over at this point here we are reversing back. Are we going to test back this area here? Okay, are we going to test back this area here? Yeah, let's wait for a little while. Okay, to see if they are going to test back. Yeah. Hi Winnie, 你好。Alright, yeah, I'm waiting for H4 to form the wick. Okay, yeah. Okay. 你好，你好，我们呢刚才在讨论这个棒美啊，棒美如果要做空的话，我们有几个价位啊？这里啊，等它先尝试来到这个压力位置1.24833，如果能形成那个压力的话呢，往下做空的机会就很大了。这个是一个我们的目标范围，好不好？1.24576，1.24576，然后呢？就是1.24510之后呢，最后一个目标就是1.24465 ，OK， 好，这个范围啊 ，OK， 我们再看就是现在这个只是目前第一个目标啊，这个过程啊，之后还有更低的。那么今天晚上有失业率的这个数据要爆出啊，所以要小心一些啊。黄金方面的话，我们现在在讨论就是2383是一个目标价位啊，可是2383到2385的这个范围，不过呢，在这里呢就比较有一点困难了。现在处在就是不上不下，正在打横走啊，所以有一点需要很多耐心啊，应该这么说。OK， 现在需要很多耐心啊，所以呢，我们现在正在看的就是，如果能往下推的话，2376是第一个目标，之后到2372，好不好？最后还有多一个就是2366哦，这个价位，好不好 ？OK，yeah， 可以啊，每日 OK。Let's take a look at dollar yen。我先用英文讲解哈。OK，dollar yen。Let's take a look. Winnie is asking for dollar yen. Alright, so for dollar yen, I think again all time high. Okay. Alright, so for dollar yen, okay, let's take a look. Dollar yen over here and on this area. Dollar yen, we are in the bull. Obviously, we are looking out for some buying. Okay, we are still looking out for some buying. So there are still a lot of liquidity up there waiting to sell. Okay, so still on the way. Alright, so I guess we still have plenty to go. Alright. So dollar yen is more on the buy side. Okay. Then yep. Okay. Okay, so over here 欢迎。OK, dollar yen. OK, 每日还是在走涨的哈，每日现在目前是走涨。我的目标价位是154.567，154.567吧？对，154.567。所以呢，到了154.567的话呢，它才有可能机会有做空的现象。但是现在目前都是在走涨，好不好？现在都是在走涨啊。现在在走涨的话呢，如果之后开始往下跌的话 ，OK， 我就在这里啊，可以看到的一个价位，这个价位蛮明显的哈 ，OK， 这个价位是蛮明显的，这个支撑这里，好不好 ？OK。大致上呢，现在呢1.54567走涨的 ，OK，so 这个价位 ，OK，so buying of Euro dollar yen, I will looking at the target of 154.567. After taking out this, alright, likely to see there may be a selling off down to 154.077. Okay, yeah, okay, there may be a good chance there, right? Okay, does anyone giggle when Eric when he speaks in Mandarin without understanding anything at all? Maybe with my big smile here, it may influence you. It may bring a smile along. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Let me going bonkers waiting for GU and go. Right. Yeah, I'm fluent in Mandarin. Euro dollar and pound dollar today will sell. Yeah. Looking into euro dollar and pound dollar. Okay. By looking into euro dollar, I am also looking for euro dollar for selling. OK, I'm also looking for euro dollar for selling. 欧美啊，我们今天也是在看它就是会有这个下跌的一个现象。OK， 但是就是在这个是关键位，要突破 1.06747 之后往下跌的机会就很大了。OK, for euro dollar, I'm looking at this price 106.747. Once it breaks 106.747, retest this as a resistance. I will see very good selling down to 106.556 first level and even lower down to take something down here to wow. Am I going too aggressive by looking into this price? Let's take the first zone first. Okay, let's take the first zone. Yeah, 106.429. Okay, let's take this. Okay, yeah. So once it breaks 106.747, okay, then there will be a good chance down to 106.575 or 575 or maybe slightly lower to 558. Okay, 106.558. Somewhere here. If this is going to break further down, for this first zone here, we're looking into 106.429. 106.429. Okay. So that's for the euro dollar. Yeah. Camille. Yeah. My TP 106.500. Okay. Or that's for the euro dollar. Am I right? Okay. Good chance. Okay. That'll be a good chance. All right. Okay. So I don't trust you, Caro, with your Mandarin. You have to trust him. He can write very nice Chinese poem. Okay, so for the pound dollar, thank you JJ for bringing in some joy and smile to me while waiting for all these so boring. Okay, so you see, for pound dollar, one rejections in here, okay, and another forming of a lower highs here, and now they are retesting these lower highs as a resistance, pushing down. All right, so resistance is in now, pushing down to see if they can get a support down here. Okay, all right, then let's take a look. H4 has opened for the pound dollar. All right, so as we can see now, looks like from the support over here, that brings the price a little bit higher up there. With this H4 opening, it seems like they are trying to build a resistance, but it's in 4 hours. Okay, we still have 4 hours ahead. All right, so another H1. Okay, looks like the H1. Okay, there are some wicks above showing some rejections, some resistance hitting up this area, and looks like it's not easy to go up. Okay, selling is more promising now. Okay, so we can see, okay, some resistance from this area, but of course there are some push from this area and this area. So from these weeks here down to this, we have about 17 pips. Not surprised that the price is going to move within these 17 pips. So a scalping is good. Okay, a scalping will be good enough, I would say. All right, and then looking into M5, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, so they hit onto the resistance just now, as we mentioned. It's now creating a selling entry, but you can see this area just now, since the live streaming starts, we are having a lot of turbulence, correct? So we still need a little bit, we still need more patience. I would say we still need more patience. Okay, yeah, so those are now multiple weeks on H1. Exactly, you are right. Okay, so you can see, all right, over here, yeah, these two here and these two green wicks here, they are actually, you know, all this bullshit here. They are all the bullshit here. Okay, these are the bullshits here. So it may not be easy. Okay, so we really need more patience here. All right, so let's have to wait for a little while. Okay, have to wait for a little while more. Okay, so let's take a look at the gold, where just now we discussed about the M30. Okay, the M30 over here. All right, yeah, so as for the M30 right now, Caro, just now we were discussing about this. As you can see now, this green, red, correct, and when it actually bounced back here, now it closed marginally as a resistance, marginally, correct, marginally. So but it doesn't, it's like a dodgy again. All right, so not surprised to see if the price is going sideways within this range. Okay, within this range. So same thing is like a pound dollar. If this is going to move within this range, scalping within this range of 20 pips will be a good strategy as of now. Okay, then next to see is that will that have a chance that of breaking up? Then maybe. Okay, because looking at the wicks here, it has recovered on this green candle. Okay, so I think it's still quite a good one to go for a buying generally. But buying, we are facing up with the resistance here again. Okay, although it's not a very obvious strong resistance that I would say, but it may be a move to create a higher high. Okay, so it can still be that that can be still possible. All right, but of course by looking downwards, okay, to the lower time frame, like we was talking about it just now, let's say M5, you see the rejections comes in again. Okay, so this time around, will these rejections push through? Okay, this rejection, it pushes down to this area again. Can you see the push is lesser than this push, and this push is lesser than this push? So it forms in another way, low, higher low, higher low. Am I right? So will it break that higher low? Will it break that higher low to show the resistance actually comes in, it grows stronger? Okay, Just now it was weaker, and now it grows stronger as it accumulates over the time for the sellers to come in. So make use of that to grab some profits by doing scalping. That will be a way to look at it when you see M30 this with such a situation. Then go down a little bit. Okay, go down a little bit of the time frame to see what's happening at that moment. When the market, what the market is doing at that moment. That's what I mean. Okay, so the first one, which is the M30, this left side here, green, red, this part here, it pushes down 50 pips, correct? After it retested, it pushes down 20 pips, correct? Right, then it tested again, it pushes down only 14 pips. It shows the resistance not very strong to push anymore. But along the way, it still accumulates sellers. The accumulation still comes in. So once the accumulation comes in, right, if this breaks through, it can break this lower one, this 14 pip, then we will see, then it actually tells us that, okay, now the accumulation starts on the sellers taking over the buyers. So there will be a good chance after this area to sell off, to take this again. Right, there may be a good chance for that. So along the way, yeah, maybe scalping is still a good strategy to trade within this area. All right. Okay, so yeah, that's for the goal at the moment. Okay. Right. So today is going to stuck here. Likely it's going to stuck here. Just like the pound dollar is going to stuck there as well. Just like the pound dollar is going to stuck there as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now my MT4 stuck. What's happening? It's always at this hour, huh? Alright. Okay. As for the pound dollar, if you're looking at your own chart, okay, pound dollar, Sabrina was asking, is this pound dollar hitting on the neckline? Seems like it's still hitting on the neckline as a support. I would say that it looks like, okay, it looks like a neckline over there. All right. Okay, let me check it out. What's this? Will this help? Okay. Yeah. So it looks like this is the neckline over here you're referring to. From this side here, coming in here is hitting on this area here, right? Okay, yeah. I mean, fair enough. But I wouldn't say that this is a obvious neckline. Okay. Yeah, I would say it's not very obvious. Okay, but by looking into this whole area, okay, by looking to this whole area here, if this is able to close lower, we can see selling structure is forming up. But if this is still not closing lower, okay, then it should be still trying to recover this whole area here to retest back onto 124.833. Okay. Yeah. Alright. It can be still that. Okay. I'm stuck here. Guys, let me fetch a cup of drinks here. Okay. Yeah, give me a little while. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience, and hopefully my MP4 is back as well. Okay, yeah, it's moving now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, with this now, okay, moving this way for the pound dollar. We have tested a little bit on this resistance and some rejections comes in. So hopefully to see one more round of lower highs coming in, to another resistance to come in to sell off again, then there will be a good chance for it to go down. Okay, to take this area. I'm still looking at this area. I think it's still quite promising. Okay, yeah, it's still quite promising over at this area here. Okay, so well, let me check out. There's no support yet. The support comes in here. There's still a good chance there. Yeah, I still see there's a good chance to take the support here. Okay, right. OK， 我们现在在看这个棒美啊，现在呢，因为它上到这里的时候呢，遇到的这个压力位置有一点小回调嘛。不过因为这些这个过程有一点难度哦，因为可能今天晚上的这个失业率的数据的关系新闻要爆出这个数据的关系，今天呢都有一点打横着走所以需要很多的耐心OK。不过这里的支撑呢，在这里这样看的话，它还有很大的机会会来到这个范围 ，OK 所以如果它真的要往上升的话，它需要一个支撑。不过现在似乎看来看去，那个支撑都还没有达成所以还在寻找支撑。所以现在目前在寻找支撑的过程，可能有个往下跌的一个现象OK， 在等着。Okay, so for the gold wise. Okay, so as for the gold wise, as we can see, we are going sideways. Yeah, looks like it's going sideways. Okay, then is still very well supported in this area here, correct? Yeah, so yeah, still there, still moving sideways, right? Okay, sorry, pound dollar, yeah, Sabrina. I won't be, so that means to say taking a trade down there is you will be first facing up with that level 124. I would say 124 124,696 around there. Yeah, there about. Okay, this area here. Yeah, it should be around this area here. Okay, so this area, if this area able to break, it can break away from this area, we should see a very nice drop down to this support here. Okay, we should still see some drop over here. Yeah, and H4 looks like it's, it is still building there. It's still not there yet. And H1, we are stuck here, as you can see. Okay, we are still stuck here, right? And stuck inside here. Yeah, still stuck inside here. Okay, yes, Christopher, the goal. Okay, let's take a look at the goal. All right, okay. Oh, Christopher put in a selling. Okay, like you previously mentioned before, the accumulation will go to the distribution. The distribution will come back to the accumulation. Likely to see 2376 area. Okay, by looking into this, the goal wise, okay, seems like Caro, are you there? This is what I meant. If this pushes down to this area here, okay, like closing below, it looks like they are actually the sellers are actually accumulating now. Okay, so from here to take this area, about 32 pips down there. Okay, quite possible now. I mean, basing on now. Okay, Caro, are you there? Caro, okay. Okay, good. Okay, so that's my reading. Okay, yeah. So Christopher has put in the selling. What's your price? What's your price for selling, Christopher? 2380. 2380. 23801. Okay, 23801. Let me see. 23801, somewhere here. Oh, immediately once it form a resistance. Okay. I won't be entering here for me. Okay, probably here. Yeah, 2379. Okay, 2379. 2379. Yeah, I mean, okay, 10 pips different. Okay, looks like a sell. Yeah. Yeah. So first 2376 first. Okay, 2376. 2376. Right. Okay. 2376. Unless it's respecting these EMA 50s, but doesn't look like it will. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then probably if it breaks this, if close lower, it has to close lower, then we will see more selling coming in. Yep. Yep. Okay. This area are scalping area. Remember, this area are just scalping area. Okay. Yes. Pound dollar also coming in. Yes, Sabrina. Pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. I am actually looking for this area. Okay. Yeah, this area here. Okay, once it breaks through this area, okay, then I think the selling will start coming in. Okay, so we have about 8 pips to 12 pips to challenge. To yeah, okay, 8 to 12. 8 to 12 pips to challenge the low. Okay, to challenge this low here, 124.46.5. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Hi, Ibrahim. Nice to see you. Wow. Let's take a look at the gold. It's still respecting these EMA 50s. Well, okay. Right. It seems like it's stopping with this area here. That means not bad, I would say. If I'm looking into this right now, the candle stops here. This selling resistance managed to accumulate to sell to this level only now. It doesn't show something good there. Okay, unless the next M30 to close lower, then it should be good. Okay, then it should be good. Yeah. Alright. So it's still respecting these EMA 50s here. Alright. Okay, pound dollar wise, pound dollar still not there yet. Okay. Well, it looks like still trying to test this resistance area. It take a little. It really have to take very long while. I'm waiting for close below 124.69. Yes, me too. Me too. You are right, JJ. Me too. Okay. Yeah. I'm also waiting for that. Yeah. Okay. So at the moment, still over there, because I see that if this is going to close below this area here to get out of this very tough area, okay, we should have a smooth selling down to go into this area. All right, then if there's a retest as a lower highs to show sellers are still coming in, then we have potentially going down for more. Okay, yeah. So you see, and a lot of time, okay, we have one block up there. They are turning. Okay, so the chart is actually turning, correct? So the chart is actually turning. So at the time it is turning, it's actually fighting against the buyers, correct? Sellers are fighting against the buyers. Once they take over, once it go down to another segment to show they have take over the buyers, then we follow in. I wouldn't want to be the recce team to recce, and I got no recce team always the first one to get killed, right, in the war, correct? So no, I wouldn't want to be a recce team. Okay, yeah. So I want the recce team to open up the path before I go in, huh? Okay, let's take a look at the gold. Okay, yeah, seems like the gold is still there. All right, let's see how it closes. Hopefully it closes lower, then I think there will be a good chance to take 23.76. All right, okay, so for the pound dollar it looks pretty good now. Okay, JJ, I think today you are the lucky star. Okay, once you appear it starts to come down, so please continue. Okay, yeah, continue to be here. Okay, so yeah, if this is going to close lower, okay, then there may be another retesting to form a lower highs, another lower highs to go lower. All right, yeah, so just wait for a little while. Okay, wait for a little while to see if that helps. Okay, yeah, Christopher. Okay, for the gold wise, I'm still holding on to it, and by this move here, it's a little bit threatening. Do you think so? I would say it depends on how it closes. You have 1 minute to go. Okay, it depends on how it closes. Right, if this is going to close like a support here, of course it can be threatening. Okay, of course it can be threatening. Okay, but if it's going to close lower, of course, well, it will be in your favor. Right, okay, yeah. Okay, of course, now it closed this way, then probably, yeah, let's see if this is going to, I think they were still coming back to fill this area. Okay, 123.79.7. Then after filling up this area, then maybe the selling will still, then the selling may comes in. Probably, probably. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar, we're closing above this area. That means they tested. Well, I think that's a reaction. Selling off reaction is quite good, whereby they tested the support. Okay, then still looks like the sellers are still pushing in lower, willing to sell at a lower price. Okay, as you can see, sellers are still selling at a lower price towards the support here. It also means to say the support is not that strong to hold at the moment, and sellers on the other side, sellers are still willing to sell off. Okay, despite the support is still very near. So if this is going to close out of this support, it will bring in more sellers. It will bring in more sellers to push lower. Then that will be good. Okay, so yeah, so it depends. Now it depends on this 5 minutes candle. All right. Yeah. So for the goal wise, yeah, it filled up. Okay, it filled this 23.79.7. So now we're waiting to see. Now there may be a good chance for selling off later on in the next 5 minutes. There may be a good chance for selling off in the next 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Not now, not now. Okay, for Christopher has already entered. Of course, have to take note. Okay, have to take note. Okay, but looks like no comment on that first because it's still hovering around there. Okay, yeah. For pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. You look at the yes, Sabrina. Look at the support with all the wicks there. Tested so many rounds, but the closing is still not as fantastic. Do you see support is coming in for the buy at this moment, since you said earlier on they need a support? Okay, this support, right? Okay, where this come down to take this support. Okay, earlier on I was looking at this support, okay, because of the liquidity. Then if this support actually forms up in above this area here, yes, short term wise, probably this may be the support they are looking for to take this resistance. Then after that to take down again. It's possible. Yeah, it's possible. So that is also the reasons I want to break this, so that it shows that this is not the support they are looking for. Then we will have a good chance to sell off, to look out for the lower support, then to buy up again. So not now. You are right in a way. Okay, you are right in a way by reading that chart this way. Okay, so quite okay. Yeah, good. Yeah. All right. Yes, Christopher. Again. Yeah. Okay. I think Christopher will be getting very anxious about this. Okay, so you can, I mean, basing on this area here. Okay, these two candles here. So this move up, fill this up now. Okay, it filled. So there may be a resistance that comes in from 23.79.7, about 23.79.7. Okay, to form another lower highs to sell off. All right, then we can see sellers are coming in from this area here. Okay, 23.79. Okay, then there will be a good chance they are going to take 23.76. Yep. Okay. Yep. All right. So this is good. Now you can see. Okay, rejections comes in. Okay, that's good. It's good. It's good over here. Yeah, from 23.79. We need to fill this up before it actually can continue the selling. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Now it closed this way. Well, probably they are still looking to form resistance up there to confirm the sellers. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's take a look. M30, we are just now looking at M30. Alright, now M30, Caro. Now M30 looks so much better. Now the M30 looks so much better now. Okay, with this now, okay, by looking at this, now M30 looks so much better. Okay, it's a matter of now is it a chance that it will go now? Now actually it looks better, but we are still falling into this dodgy here. Okay, inside this dodgy area. Okay, so it may still going sideways. So okay, so just now I was looking into this area where 23.78. Okay, where 23.78 is actually here. Alright, okay, so to close right below this one, correct? To close right below this, we are still above here. We are not out of that dodgy yet. We are not out of that dodgy, so it's still quite pain. It's still quite a pain there. Alright, so once it's out of that dodgy, likely, okay, we will see some selling off. Alright, okay, Okay, so if I'm going to draw this out this way, okay, you can look at M5. Okay, look at M5, it will be this way. You get what I mean? Oh, look at this area here. Right. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out. Okay, this is what I'm looking out for. Okay, yeah. For the pound dollar, okay, for the pound dollar, well, not so good, right? Okay, it's still stopping here. All right, it's still stopping here. Then, you know, over at this point here, it's still got some rejections that shows the support is still there. Yeah, like Sabrina just now was pointing out. Yes, they are since they are looking out for support. Is this the support they are looking out for? Right, along the way, yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, this may be the support they are looking out for, since they are forming up. Yeah, so still waiting. Okay, to see if the push from the sellers here, okay, they tested on the support. So will this support take out all the sellers? If the support take out all the sellers, then of course the support's still there. Okay, then this may be the support they are looking out for, and sellers are unable to take over the buyers. Okay. Unemployment claims have some impacts during this period. Well, it's going to be tough. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Okay. For the gold wise, it went back again. Yeah, like this area here. Alright. Yeah, will this area form up a resistance? Okay, let's wait to see if this area is going to form up the resistance. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The pound dollar. Okay. Yes, since the pound dollar now seems like the support has taken out the first round of the sellers. Alright, then we are looking out for, they are tested out on the second round. Let's see if they are going to hold it down. Okay, hi, Merry Christmas, you're back. You're back from breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, okay. Right, and let's see. Okay, for the pound dollar, struggling. Okay, yeah, you're asking me to take this and take this these okay. If you're asking me to take this by looking at this, okay, you can do this. Okay, that means you still have a long way to go, right? Yeah, back to see you lor. Oh, really? Thank you so much. Right. How I wish I can see you too. Don't just see me, I also wish to see you too. Okay. So for the pound dollar, since this support pushes this to meet up with this area here, and they are pushing back down again, you can see the rejections meet up with the sellers here. All right, so will they actually push us back again to see where it closed? All right, so let's see. M5 has opened in the gold. The gold, just now we are talking about this. All right, now they are pushing back, but we are still in this area. We are still inside here, correct? So let's wait for a little while. Not there yet. Sideways. We are going sideways. So that means to say, I'm going to repeat what I'm going to say 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. I'm going to repeat and repeat and repeat. Okay. Okay. So for pound dollar, it looks better now in a way. Okay, see how it closes. Okay, see how it closes first. Looks like the buyers from the support pushes to meet up with this area, this round of sellers, and they got rejected down with a very strong selling here, meeting up with the support once again. That means to say the resistance here, low here, correct? lower highs here. So support seems like support is getting weaker. There's a sign of support getting weaker, huh? Okay, but not confirmed yet. All right. So we can see, okay, like Christopher was saying, the distribution area will go back to the accumulation area, correct? All right. So I plotted out the accumulation area here. All right. So another area down here. All right. So still far away. Let's take the first level. Let's take the first zone first. Let's take the first zone. Okay. Then before we look at the second zone. All right. So the first zone here is to clear this first, to take this area here. All right, Winnie， 你有在吗 ？Winnie， 棒美啊。OK， 现在呢有看到它就是在想要突破这个支撑，他们正在累积，好不好？那这个累积这个流动量呢，现在呢就一般呢累积这个空方流动量的话，一般啊。累积空方流动量的话呢，都会下跌到累积多方量啊 ，OK， 所以呢，它还有很大的机会会有下跌的现象哈 ，OK，right， JJ，Are you there? JJ, you have to be here because you're the lucky star today. JJ， 你是幸运之星啊。Once JJ appear, the pound dollar goes down. OK， 你也在啊，嗨，我也在，哎呀 ，Merry Christmas。So Merry Christmas can speak Mandarin. Okay, just joking. Alright, so let's take a look at the goal. You see the goal. Just now we are talking about 23.79.7. This is the area they are going to set up the resistance. Caro. Okay, so I'm looking at this area. Okay. Alright, this area. Okay. 黄金啊，黄金这里盘整着，对不对 ？Alright， 这里盘整着啊。那因为这里有一个十字星，好不好？你在1小时可以看到一个十字星，好不好？不是1小时，对不起，30分钟在这个十字星。所以这十字星呢，一般呢显示出的盘整的范围啊。现在它都在盘整的范围了 ，OK，alright， 所以现在啊，它来到这里有一个流动量的所在地啊，会有一个做空的一个压力在这个流动量的所在地啊，2379.7的范围出现的话，一收为一个压力的话呢，有很大的可能性会有往下跌的现象，跌出这个范围 ，alright。Just now we are talking about this dodgy, right? Dodgy area. We may go sideways. If this is going to close as a resistance at 23.79.7, there will be a possibility of going out of this dodgy downwards. Okay, so yeah, we can pay attention to this. Okay, yeah. So this is what we are talking about, the M30. Caro, just now we are discussing about the M30 for this formation here. Alright, so along the way it forms. Just now we are talking about this. Correct. So it closed as a doji now. So it closed as a doji. We've plot out an area, dodgy area, likely to be a sideway in this dodgy area. So from this dodgy area, within this dodgy area, you can see this area. Okay, this area here, 23.79. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if this closed down here. Now we have a resistance within this area here, 23.79.7. Right, likely we're going to reclaim a little bit, not above this. Then after that, we should see some selling. Okay, not above these two candles, this resistance. Then we should see some selling down to go out of this dodgy area. Alright, unless this close above, then nothing to say. Alright, for pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. Yeah, finally. Okay, it closed lower. Okay, but we are closing right at this area here. So it's good because there may be some retesting to form lower highs. Alright, then there will be a good chance to sell off. Okay, JJ, yes, I'm waiting. Okay, for 5 minutes. Okay, so that's a good one. Okay, we have looks like there's a little gap filled up here. Okay, seems like a good thing. If this is going to close lower, then we will still see something good over there. All right. Okay, so are we going down smoothly to take this area before it pulls back for a lower highs, then another selling down? Okay, 15 minutes flip. Let's take a look. Okay, 15 minutes flip. Okay. All right. Okay, seems like it's struggling in this area, huh? Seems like it's struggling in this area. All right, so let's see. Let's wait and see, huh? Okay. All right. Oh, you wish to flip, huh? Oh, I see. I thought you were talking about it flip off. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Looking to some flipping. Likely in this M15 will flip. Okay, likely it will flip, but when it flips to test into 2378 here, okay, it's still possible because of the support here, you can see. Okay, yeah, all right, it is still there. Okay, we are still moving within this area. Yeah, so you know, all right. Okay, so we are still within this area, so we still need the M5 to confirm. Okay, because this should be good. If this is going to close lower, it should be still good. Okay, it should be still looking good. Yeah. Okay, pound dollar, yes. Pound dollar. Okay, if this retesting comes in immediately to form a resistance, should it be a good entry? A selling entry for taking a good scalping of 5 pips down to the support. If this area, to this area, we only merely have about 8 pips to 12 pips. Okay, I will still say yes. I will still say yes. All right. Generally, okay, generally, okay, not prediction. Okay, not a prediction. Disclaimer first, not prediction. Dollar should get weak when the data release. So pound dollar should be shooting up later on. So by shooting up later on, it should be coming down to take a support to support the support for the data release later on to shoot up higher. Okay. They should be creating liquidity now. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yes, Christopher. Yeah. Okay. Support the support. Okay, Christopher. Yeah. Okay, I'm shifting my. Okay, I'm shifting my profits. My TP. I'm shifting my TP up to. Okay, 23. This is this support. 2378. Okay. I thought previously it was 2376, right? 2376, huh? Okay. Okay, also can. Alright, also can. Since you just now you entered here, you have about 8 pips down just now, and taking into 21 pips. So you are aiming on this area here to take 33 pips. Well, I would say it's still quite possible. Okay, but with this area here, it's still closing below this level. Should be still good. You know, it should be still good. Should be still good. Yeah. All right. Anyway, not surprised that it's moving sideways. Yeah, almost 6 p.m. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Reminding me to go for dinner. Any suggestion for dinner? Yeah. Okay, yeah, and pound dollar. All right, let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Now we are retesting back. Oops, oops. What is this, man? Oh man, what is this? Oh, what a shoot up. Okay, this is weird, huh? Bali Su. Bali Su, huh? Okay, yeah, the pound. Okay. Looks like it's still there. Let's see if this is going to close right below. Wow. The retesting, hopefully the retesting can close right below here. If not, then no, we have to wait again. Yeah, still waiting. Yeah, still waiting. Ah. Have to wait. Okay, have to wait. Still have to wait. Ah, okay. Yep, okay, for the gold wise, alright. As for the gold wise, let's take a look. Same thing, shooting back up here. Ah, still moving. Okay. Have some fried chicken. Fried chicken. Okay. Fried chicken. Let's fried chicken. Maybe Korea fried chicken, huh? Any more suggestion? We have too many. We are spoiled with choices. I cannot. Sometimes when come to food, I'm not as decisive as trading. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Hang on first. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. We have about 2 minutes to go. Okay. Oh yeah, 2 minutes. Okay. Alright guys, give me a little while. Okay, give me a little while. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Thank you so much. Okay, and yep, don't forget to buy dessert for JJ, Chris, Merry Christmas, Sabrina, Fat and Jen. Okay. Yep. And you, Caro. Yep. Okay. And well, I really don't know what to eat. Okay. Sometimes so lost until okay, let's take a look at the gold since M5 now, okay, M5 close above this way, doesn't look good, it's closing back again. Okay, closing back again, then it's a bit different now. So sad. Yeah. Cheesecake, please. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Okay. You want cheesecake? Okay, that's for the dessert. Cheesecake. Okay. You like cheesecake? Well, cheesecake. I like tiramisu. Yeah. I think tiramisu is quite nice. Okay, and we have a burnt cheesecake over here. Yeah, I dislike cheesecake. Okay. Right. Looks like the gold is actually pumping out of this. Okay, yes, Christopher. Once it closes above, I'm going to close my trade too. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Alright. Pound dollar also doesn't look fantastic now. Okay. It's still testing into this level. Right. It's testing into this level here. To push. Just now was a good push down here. Okay. Yes, my favorite. Tiramisu. Okay. Yes, all time frame, all green though. Okay, for the gold, right? Okay, if you're looking into this. Yeah. Yes. Well, they are testing back into this area again. Okay. Well, let's see if this is going to get out of this area. Right? Please don't hate on cheesecake. Yeah, okay. It's okay. Then we have more varieties, and you have less competitor on your cheesecake. Okay, so for the pound dollar, all right. So for the pound dollar over here, it looks like they are not going down. Like Sabrina was saying, that this may be the support they are looking out for. One push down, but still coming in with this, like not a very fantastic one. Okay, yeah. So another long way to go. Looks like another long way to go, huh? All right. Okay. So hang on first. Yeah. Hang on first, but it's still, I mean, with this move here, it looks like it's going to looks like okay, from this little area. Okay, look at this area here. What do we see here? Anything there? Yeah. Tiramisu too soggy for me. I see. Okay. You know, I like cheesecake. I like cheesecake to go with black coffee. No, Americano. You know, in Singapore they call it the black coffee. Okay. Yeah. I like to go with Americano. I find it's a great combination. These girls are so picky. Okay, I did say that. Okay. Okay, for the goal, once again, we are here. Okay, no wonder Christopher. Okay, yes. As for the goal, once again, we are back here again, guys. Okay, you're still here. We are still in the range. All right. Yeah, Sabrina. Yeah, pound dollar selling off again. Yeah. Okay. Good. Yes. Indeed. Yes, I am. So anything that Merry Christmas is going to pick, it should be something great. Huh? All right. Yeah. Looks like GU creating a lower high and lower low. Yes, you're right. Okay. Very good. Very good reading from the JJ. Okay. Looks like, okay, we are having a lower, we have a lower high here, ready to take a lower low. Okay, so let's take a look. If this is going to happen, then this is something good over here. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Yes, the goal is so lazy. Well, just now you have already pointed out a very good area where the M30. Yeah, so when it closed, okay, the range has surfaced. So we are still in the range. Yeah, so not surprised. Yeah, so Christopher was saying, please work harder. Christopher was saying, please work harder. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so same thing for the pound. Again, we are pushing near to this support area again, and it went back. Okay. So if this is going to close, then selling, if this is going to close lower, okay, it has to close lower, huh? It has to close lower. All right. Well, yes, Christopher. Christopher was saying, is this like a morning star and evening star? Morning star and evening star. Where? They're talking about the gold, or you're talking about the pound dollar? I don't see morning star. Oh, you're talking about pound dollar. Okay. Morning star, evening star. Okay. We have 24 hours, but they only have few minutes. Okay. Morning star, evening star. Huh? Okay. Somehow, yeah. Okay. Somehow, yeah. Morning star, evening star. This range, this range. We're talking about this area. Morning star, evening star. Okay. Not that obvious anyway. Okay. Alright. Carol, are you throwing your toys out of the pram as Go not playing ball with you? Yeah. Okay. So hopefully the Go work a little bit harder down to the lower part of the range. No, I'm crying in the corner. Well, okay. I think we are still coming back to 23.78.5 again. Oh, yeah, we are. Okay. All right. Looks like we are. Christopher saying no, another morning star, evening star coming in the Go. What the? Oh man. Yeah. What the hell, man? Yeah, right. Morning star, evening star. It's so funny. Well, let's look at the H1. Okay. Okay, and looking into this, yeah, still right. So moving downwards to take the wick is still possible. Okay, it's still possible. All right, moving down to take the wicks is still possible, huh? All right. So looks like this hour movement will come. Okay. 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 We came back to take this area. Just now this move came back to take this area again. The push coming down to to take this again. Well, will that be a good move down to take 23.78 again? Okay, we are 8 pips away down to take 23.76. If this is going to close out of the range, okay, then it will be a good one. Okay, that's for the goal. Yeah, that is for the goal. Okay, yeah, pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. It's still struggling there where I don't know. I really don't know what to do with it. Then wait. When you don't know what to do with it, then you wait. Yeah. Okay. Let's move this. Okay, we have a resistance tested here, taking out this, and it started sell off. Then after that, we have one more this. Okay, now taking out this, we are going to see if this is going to be taken out. All right, this area here. All right, if this is going to close lower, then of course it will still have a good chance there. Okay, yeah, not a very promising one, I would say. Long wait. Okay, as for the goal wise, okay. Christopher cheering for his TP now. Okay, so a move 15. Okay, yeah. All right, and let's see. We are trying to get this. But we are still moving in the range. And we are still moving in the range. Okay, to the floor. Yeah, to the floor. Okay, and yep. Right. Okay, then let's see if they are going to take lower. Okay, it's still moving in that range. It's still moving in that range. Okay, it's still moving in that range. Okay, still moving in that range, so be careful. Okay, with this. Yeah, Bradley, go TP 10 pips. Wow, okay. Congratulations. Okay, Christopher. Yeah, finally closed my trade with profits. Okay, congratulations, Christopher. Okay, nice catch. Okay, well done, well done. Scalping still the best. Okay. Yeah, alright. Okay, good move. Still in that range. Okay, yeah, pound dollar, let's take a look. All right, since the goal over there. Okay, pound dollar. Well, looks like the pound dollar is still struggling. Yeah. Oh, Bradley still got him. Okay, so over this point here, right? It seems like this area is still a point, right? And well, looks like this area, it seems like this has coming to take the selling here. I'm still this area here. Okay, but I still see that maybe, well, if this is going to, this has tested once, I think probably yeah, they will still be taking out one, they will still be testing out 124.833. Okay, all right, and let's see how this close first. Okay, yeah. Okay, you are dodgy. I'm ham. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Christopher was okay. Now let's see the goal is okay. Oh man, the goal. Look at the goal, man. Look at the goal. We are. Oh no, the goal is closing out of the range. Okay, Christopher previously was aiming 23.76, right? Christopher. Yeah. It's fine. I have enough. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's see if this is going to close out of this dodgy area. Then yeah, 23.76 down to, okay. Fuck you. Now I left the chance going down. 3 hour wasted. That's life. That's life. That's life. Okay. Yeah, the goal is breaking out the 50 EMA, but it's not confirmed until it's closed. Okay, it's not confirmed until it's closed. Alright. Nothing is confirmed until it's closed. Okay. Yeah. Why? It's because the opening is from inside here. Okay, so it may still go back. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's look at the pound. Okay, pound dollar. Looks like let me see the pound dollar. But I still see the pound dollar still have good chance to be here. Okay, why? Is because with this swing, they've taken out this area. So let me check again. This has done. Wow, this is very struggling here, huh? It's going sideways. It's going sideways that I can't, no way, man. I still hold on. Hold the fingers. Hold the fingers. Alright, let's hold the fingers. Okay, let's hold the fingers. Yeah, I think still hold the fingers. I will still support JJ. I will still support JJ by breaking this 124.69 down here. Alright, to retest, to have a resistance below to sell. Okay, yeah. Told you to keep your toys. I have 2 words for you. Okay. Right, okay, yeah. Oh my god, my tears is bursting, man. Okay. We guys, we really have a very nice community down here. Okay. We know each other so well. Okay. Even with that 2 words, I also feel very happy, joyful, and very joyous about that 2 words. Say that to me. Sabrina says, say that to me. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, if you gain, please put your SL to entry point to trade free. To entry point and trade free. Okay, yeah. So we are talking about the BE, right? Okay. Yeah, all right. It closed right below. Okay. Well, it seems like we are getting out of that range. Okay, so once again, we are closing out that BE for the M5, right? But then looks like we have another range now. We have another level to take note. Okay, it may be pulling back to 23.79.5. Yeah. I think Sabrina means just now you were saying I have 2 words for you to JJ. So Sabrina say that to me too. 3 words for Sabrina. What's the 3 words now? Fa. You too. Yeah, maybe that. I don't know. I'm making a guess. You guys are bursting my tears, man. Okay, alright. Okay, let's Sabrina says pound dollar is breaking through now. Okay, let's see. Okay, now this is the part here. Now, JJ, now you see, JJ, I told you, once you appear in the chat, you see it's coming down. That's why I told you just now earlier on, stay put. Yeah, she will not hear it anyway. Okay, she's eating chips now. Are you eating chips? Are you eating chips, Sabrina? Yeah, I think she's waiting for the pound dollar for so long. I wanted to enter that goal just now earlier on, but it's in the range. So, Caro, that 3 hour is not wasted because you have me. Okay, so you have companionship here, huh? Okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Same here anyway. Yeah, I'm waiting for that pound dollar too. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, BE. I knew it. Okay, Sabrina liked it like that. Say it to me. Yeah. Okay, so the goal. Alright, probably. Okay. And for the pound dollar, JJ, okay, seems like we have very good rejections here. So over here, the support has comes in. So it's very clear for your reading. If this is not going to break, I'm not going to sell. Okay, if this is not going to break, I'm not going to sell for sure. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's very obvious now. It's getting more and more obvious. Alright. Well, M15, okay, and still trying very hard. Yeah, this GU this GU and go. Yeah. I need a beer, right? Yeah, GU, I told you, JJ, you are the lucky star today. Once you appear, the GU will go towards your directions. So stay put, okay? Yeah, the goal, okay, yes, closing out here nicely, and 23.76, okay, 23.76. Good job, huh? Okay, to the floor. Right. Now, pound dollar. You see, JJ appear, pound dollar will go to his directions. You're the lucky angel. Yeah. I think so too. I agree. Sabrina say, please stay put. Yeah. I'm hanging on too. I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I think there's a good chance. I think there's a good chance. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh, but I have a again, I have a hunch here again. I have a hunch here again. I find that the pound dollar is going to just sell off. It's going to have a sell off very smoothly. Okay, that's a hunch. No reading. Okay, it's just a hunch. Okay, all right. Let's see. For the gold, Christopher, yes. If the pullback to 23.79 again, I'm going to sell it off. Let's see what's the situation later on. If this is going to pull back to 23.79.5, okay, because of M15, okay, because of M15 here, right? Okay, over here. Okay, this one. All right. Then I see there's a good chance that it's going to sell off from here. All right. Okay. Okay, let's support the girls traders. Yes, let's support the girls trader. To the floor, man. Come on, let's go. All right. For the gold, sorry, for the pound, we are testing back again, right? This area, right, all right. I don't know. I mean, Sabrina, I don't know. There's no reading why I said it will just slip off. Okay, I just have a hunch that this is going to slip off. That's all. A hunch again, huh? Okay, no reading. But I still, if in terms of reading wise, I still see if this is going to close and retest back as a lower highs to sell off. That is the proper way to sell off. Okay, that's a proper way to sell off. Okay. Winnie 还在吗 ？Eric 还在吗 ？Jerry 还在吗 ？Manwai 还在吗？你们都还在吗 ？Okay, I'm going to translate to Mandarin 啊。我有一个感觉哈，这个只是一个预感而已哈，一个感觉而已啊。它应该会直接掉下去了。如果它突破的话，应该直接就会掉下去了。OK 啊，不过哈，就像昨天所讲的哈，交易员要做对的交易嘛，所以。最终我还是觉得说，在这里啊，突破了以后回踩有更低的压力啊 ，OK， 那么呢，做空才是最正确的进场点啊。找到正确的进场点做单子的话呢，不怕它回调，因为最终还是会回到。如果对的进场点的话，它还是会回到那个范围的 ，OK 啊，当然没有100%。不过概率比较大 ，OK， 好不好 ？Okay, so let's take a look with this. Well, seems like they are still testing onto the support over at this level here. It's still running very tough, correct? It's still running very tough. Then let's wait for a little while. Okay, all right, yeah. Well, bounce back from the support. Let's see if this is going to. Well, we have this level to be filled. Okay. It looks like it's getting lower, huh? It looks like it's getting lower. 好的，好的。Okay, yep, the gold retracing up to 23.79 now. No wonder Christopher is okay. Yeah, Christopher. There you go again. Alright, pound dollar is pressing down again. Okay, it's good. Alright. Christopher, okay, do not sell now. When it touches, do not sell now. Let's wait for the situation. Wait for the situation. Okay, wait for the situation. Alright. Okay, yes, Carol in the Discord. Stonks. Oh no, this looks like Merry Christmas, maybe. Wow, what a beautiful one. Give you a like. Okay. Ding, ding. Give you a heart shape here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Well, once again, we are stuck here with the pound dollar over at this point here. Looks like it's still working very bloody hard with this support, huh? Okay, how about the gold? Oh my god, the gold exceeding up again. Still back to the range. Okay, then forget it. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. Okay, look at the pound dollar. Are we going to hold it here? Alright. No, doesn't look like. This gold is crazy. Jeez, yeah. Ranging all London, yeah, including the pound dollar. Okay. Yeah, I mean, even pound dollar also the same. Then I think let's okay, once again, yeah, you're looking into this like this again. You're doing this again. Oh, just now not okay, sorry. Just now was this way. Okay. So what now? By plotting the chart this way, I can still see the selling off is still quite promising. It's still closing slowly downwards. It's just that the support over there. Can you please draw another one? Let me see. Draw another one. Where? Oh, a fishtail. Okay. Oh, I mean this one. This here. Okay. Oh, okay. I think okay, I will use this. Okay, I'll use this. All right, I will use this. Okay. By looking into this, okay, by looking into this, actually, we are actually testing. Okay, we are actually testing the in a way we are testing the resistance. Now you see, we are coming down this way, right? So they are testing this trend line here as a lower trend line here as a lower resistance. Okay, so if you are using this, now they are closing right down below, right out here. Now they are retesting back into this area. As long as this is going to maintain lower, yes, you still have a good chance. If you're looking by this, okay, fish head and fish tail strategy. Okay. all right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, H1 not nice though. Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about the gold, or you're talking about the pound dollar? Okay. Holy man, this is turning out of the range. Okay, 23.83. Let's go. Okay, we gone. All right. Well done. Okay, gone. All right. Okay, not to the floor but to the sky. 23.83. Okay, we are going to the 23.83. Now this is gone. All right. Yeah, let's take a look at the pound dollar. So the pound dollar is, are we going to reject down from just now earlier on to close lower? But it seems like it's going the opposite way, huh? Doesn't. Oh my goodness, euro dollar, we broke this area and retested. Camille, just now Camille was talking about this, right? Camille. Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar. Holy man. Okay. Euro dollar tested out this area. Oh my, looks so nice. Okay, and wow. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, looks pretty good. Yeah, M5 got engulfing. I closed already. Okay. Where? Which one? The gold. Yes, gold. Okay. Let's take a look at the pound dollar. We are still at the support. And gold wise, are you talking about the gold? Merry Christmas. All the time frame going up again. Okay, for the pound dollar, let's take a look. JJ, are you there? JJ. Oh man. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about the gold, huh? Okay. Right. Okay. So for the pound dollar, we are testing into this range here. I think they have tested down into this. Okay. Looks like the movement is coming. Yeah. JJ, yes, we are coming near. Yes, I support the XNS man. Okay. Right. Okay, we are coming near. For the goal wise, yeah. Okay, for the goal wise, it looks like hang on first, hang on first. Okay. I like Merry Christmas. Yes, pound dollar looking better. Until it close. Until it close. Okay, until it close. Alright, until it close. Okay. Guys, shall we go for another 15 minutes? Okay, I decided my dinner and I'm going to place order for delivery. Okay, but I need to go keep bell. Okay, give me a little while, I'll be right back. Okay. Hello, I'm back here. Thank you so much. Okay, sorry, I went to Kibel. Okay, wow, today we're going for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, pound dollar. Wow, looks good. He went to sell GU. I'm waiting for retesting. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and how about the gold? The M5 has opened. Wow, it's still trying to close up to 23.83. How about the pound dollar? Pound dollar 1, 2, 3, 1 touch, 2 touch, 1 touch, 2 touch. Okay. But Eric's hunch. Oh, okay. The pound dollar is going to zoom down. Okay. Okay, let's see. This area here is another area. Okay, probably we may need to pay attention to this area as well now. Okay, and let's bring this down here. Okay, let me check. Okay, M15, crucial. Okay, yeah, this is where we are talking about all the H1 weeks. Just now earlier on, 2 hours ago we are talking about this. 2 hours ago we are talking about this. Okay, hopefully we don't have another 3 hours wasted. Okay. Yeah, and let's see if this is taking that. Okay. Gold market maker is like XNS, went off finally. Let's move gold. Okay, so retest this level. We are coming in with this area of this range here. Now, it's interesting now. Okay, we are coming into this very this area. I like this 2383. I'm going to buy lottery for this number. Yeah, 2383. Okay, yes, 2383. Okay, 2383 will be the first level, and actually not just now we are talking about 2384 to 2385. It can be quite tough here already, so we are coming near to that, right, Caro? Earlier on we are discussing about this area. 2385. Okay. Yeah. Right, and 2385. Yes, Sabrina. Looks like the pound dollar is actually trying to sell off to break this range, and we are going to take it, but doesn't seem to have any entry point for us to take. Am I right to say that? Well, it may start to zoom down. Okay, then maybe the entry may be the next level here. Then it will come in to sell down from here to take this level to 124,576. If that happens, okay, if that happens, yeah, right. Okay, high emotional. Are we shorting the 2383? What's the SL? You should ask where is the prof TP. Focus on the positivity. Okay. Right. So Let's wait for it to take 23.83 first and see what the reaction is like first. Okay. So for the pound dollar, we are into this range now, where the resistance and the support are. We are getting so close. They are into this range, deciding where to go. Okay, deciding where to go. No TP, all the way to the floor, all the way down to the floor. Then I will, for me, my TP, no TP. Okay. All right, achieve 23.83. Okay, yeah, let's wait and see the reaction. But today is fun, huh? Today it's boring yet fun. Okay. Hi, Yue Ting. Hi. Wow, you are live streaming so long. You have really very good stamina. Yeah, because today we are so boring, huh? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we have some reaction from this area now, for the pound dollar hitting on the resistance. Okay, hitting on the resistance. Let's see if this is going to push lower to close lower, mass close lower, mass close lower. We have about 2 minutes to go. M15 mass close lower to break this. Okay, to break this, so that from here, this range here, okay, then it should be good. Right, this is the pound dollar also the same. 61.8 hits. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. As for the gold, yeah, exactly 61.8 Fibo from yesterday's selling. Trade gold, trust extenders, don't go away from keyboard. Yeah, gold is shining. I have left it to run, given it take time. Okay, take its time. Okay. All right, you see, JJ, you are really the lucky angel, huh? Once you appear, the gold went down again. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The pound went down, not the gold. Sorry. Okay, so but it can be quite tough here, huh? Let's see how this is going to react now. I'm looking at it. Yeah. Let's see. We have about 1 minute to go. Okay. Okay. This is still so tough here. Alright. Okay, it closed above there. What to do with that? We did have one final retest back to see if this is going to break below. Or will it set up the support here? If this is going to retest back, we still have a chance. If this is going to get rejected up from this level, then long wait again. Keybell time. Okay. 15 got some rejections from there. Right. Let's hang on for a little while and see. Right. Okay, no more. It seems like it's still pushing higher. Another wait again. Okay. For the gold wise, okay, 23.83. Now let's do, this is gone. Okay. Yeah, that's gone. Okay. Pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. It was so close for an entry, but no more. Yeah, I think so too. Okay. By looking into, yeah, okay. So it's still not a very good one. Yeah, still not a very good one. Not yet. If this is not going to hold, then probably it's not a very nice one. Yeah. Okay. I don't see any. Okay, 3 minutes to go and I'm going offline. All right, and see you guys tomorrow. Going flat, I guess, because of the employment claims. Then today, interesting day. Although it's so lazy and boring. Okay. Yeah. Then forget about it since that's the case. Right. No yet. Correct. Another 3 minutes to see if this is going to hold it down. Alright. To see if this is going to set up support or any set up support from here, or actually to push it down to test it back again to this range. Okay. Yeah. Keep your time still in keep. Okay, and let's see over here. There isn't any higher low tested. Right. The higher low has been tested once over here. Yeah. No, man. Okay. Hang on. I have 2 minutes to go. All right. Yeah. If this is a lower, if a lower high coming again, there should be a good chance for another starting to test the support again. Likely. Then it depends on how you close. Yeah, it depends on how you close now. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, JJ will leave the cell and wait for high impact news. Check 2 hours after news. Yeah, I think likely. Okay. Okay, so okay, we have another 1 minute and I'm going off. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. And well, looks like we don't have a chance for the pound dollar over here. Let's wait for it to take out this area probably. Okay. Yeah. Then too bad. Okay, so no time, no chance at all at the moment. Correct. Then let's wait. Yeah. Okay, greeting from Keyballs. Okay, yeah. Gym time. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Okay, so we shall see each other tomorrow. Okay, later on. Okay, later on. Well, maybe there'll be something better after the news. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and shall see you tomorrow. I shall wish you good luck with multiple profits during the New York session. Okay. Well, see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.